How to use Myfitnesspal when eating out. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. Did you know you can track your meals when you are eating out in a restaurant or eating a snack? Let me help you out to know about your snack or meal when eating out. Open up your Myfitnesspal and make sure that you are logged in. You have to tap on the diary section. In here, if you are eating out during breakfast, lunch or dinner, you can track your food. Just tap on add food depending on the meal that you are intaking. Now you will see the option of scan a meal, scan a barcode and quick add. So you can use these features to actually track your meal whenever you are snacking or eating out. In some of the restaurants, in the menu section, you will have a barcode next to the recipes where you can easily scan and identify the calorie and nutrient value of the meal. You can also scan a barcode at the back side of the snack if there is any. It will let you know about any nutrient value it holds. And that is how you can easily track for your meal when you're eating out or snacking. If you do not have this feature, go ahead and check out your Play Store or App Store. Leave your application for an update if there is any update. Next, open up your phone setting. From here, go ahead and tap on System Update. If there is an update, leave it for an update because your system needs to be up to date with the updated version of your application as well. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.